Grand Rising family, Grand Rising. Your welding coach, Joel Brown Jr. checking in. And I wanted to give you a live public announcement on the Welding Academy here at Arkansas Baptist College, the META24 program. So for those who are wanting to get into the program, there are ways you can do it that is not real complicated and it can get paid for you. The adult education, if you're trying to get into the program, you can contact them. It's 501-420-1350. There are certain things you have to qualify for in order for them to pay for it, but they will pay for it for you, fam, and they can get you into the program. Also, you can contact 501-420-1200 to get into the META24 welding program. So it's two different numbers, it's two different programs, same program, but one is ran by the adult education, they get you in, and the other is by the college. Two different things, but both of them is on the college ground. So if you want to get signed up, I want you to get on my email list as well. It's joe.brown@arkansasbaptist.edu. That's it, fam. Send me an email, name, phone number, your location, what you are trying to do with welding. Like, do you want to be a stick welder, a flux core, MIG welder, TIG welder? You want to do some fabrication, pipe welder? Like, what is your idea for diving into the class? You know, just to give us some basic information. And I also wanted to say this too. Welding is based on muscle memory. Based on muscle memory, so you have to come in and put the work in. If I come to the gym and I do 10 and you come to the gym and you do 20, you're gonna be bigger than me, fam. That's what it is. And one thing I know about work ethics, fam, because we're teaching life skills principles here as well, and it's 10 basic skills that will help you get any job and learn anything you want to know. And one of them is showing up on time and holding yourself accountable. Them two different things, them two different skills, fam. So before you even learn the welding skill, fam, there's some skills that you got to have, and we want to help you develop them. Because if you can't show up to class on time and you always have an excuse, we're not going to put our name on you to help you get a job, fam, because you're going to do the same thing. You're not going to be able to break that habit. You got a habit. But if you can come and you show up on time, you put the work in, that let us know you're going to show up to that job. You're going to show up on time and you're going to put the work in, and we're going to help you get into that situation. But I can't help you. We can't help you if you don't help you, fam. So I would recommend, if you signing up, don't do it just to waste time, fam. Because I'm going to say something. I want to say something to you personally. We can make more money. We can go outside and hold a sign up on the corner. You see them doing all the time, and we can get some money. If that's just what you want, it's just different ways to get it, but we can get some money. But you know what we can't get, fam? We can't get more time, fam. So if you come here and you waste your time, you can't get it back. And I'm not gonna lie, fam. If one person show up or 10 people show up, I give them the same energy. I give them the same information. But I'm not gonna waste my time. So if you don't put the work ethics in, and you're the type of person that, you know, got a whole lot of excuses with life, I'm personally going to recommend that you don't sign up, because you're not going to get nothing out the class, fam. This might be somebody that really want to get that seat. They're going to show up every day, that's going to put the work ethics in, that's not going to have an excuse. Because when you go out here to these companies, fam, they don't want to hear about your excuse. They want you to show up. They want you to put your 8 to 10 hours in and then deal with your life. You get what I'm saying? So as a person, as your personal coach, I just want to say, fam, kill all your excuses, because all they're going to do is cripple you. That's it. And you're going to find yourself in a situation where you're going to have to show up. You're going to have to be accountable, and ain't going to be nobody around to help you but you. So if you want to win, this is the program to get involved. If you want to be a fabricator, you want to sell products, if you want to build some generational wealth for your family, this is the program to sign up for, fam, because we're going to give it to you. We're going to love on you. We're going to give you everything you need. But you're going to have to do something, fam. You're going to have to show up. You're going to have to listen. You're going to have to be willing to learn. And it's a door right back here, fam. It's a trash can back here by that door. I say leave your ego in it. Once you leave the class, you can pick it back up and you can take it home with you. But when you come in here, fam, we all like kids. You don't know nothing. I got to teach you something. And if you try to implement something that you think you know and you don't know, that's not going to help you as well. So come in here with a clean slate, fam, ready to learn. And I promise you, fam, we're going to have dialogue. We're going to test theory. We're going to dive straight into it. I want to make sure you win. Just talk to me, communicate with me, fam. And this is the program for you. I can't make it up, fam. We're not leaving nobody behind. We don't care if you're purple. We don't care if you're blue. We don't care if you're red. We don't care if you're green. If you show up, we're going to show out, fam, because you're part of the family then. You know what I mean? Everybody comes from different neighborhoods, different sides. But when we in here, we family. And that's what we do. That's the culture. So if you want to get signed up, all you have to do is contact Adult Education, 501-420-1350, or Arkansas Baptist College, 501-420-1200. And make sure you get on that email list, fam. joe.brown at arkansasbaptist.edu. Come sign up, fam, and get your hog on with me. I'm out.